Welcome back, traders. Let's look into week 3 of May. Last week we kicked off with a powerful gap up, clearing the 7-day range in one breath and leaving both the monthly and the weekly VWAP behind. What followed was a textbook clean uptrend heading straight toward that looming liquidity magnet, the 6005 seller zone. Bulls are seizing control and structure is backing that momentum. Let's dive in. So the monthly volume profile is getting balanced and we see structure building above March value area high. With the POC this high hovering around this 5900 zone, we might get some potential resistance ahead. Watch this double distribution zone below 5820. It is the battleground that could be reactive for any pullbacks. The 10-day volume profile is currently one time framing up, which is bullish, and we look ready to invade this November's failed breakout zone above 5950. But with this P profile forming, we need to be cautious here. Signs of short covering without conviction can lead to false breakouts. We will watch November's 5846 and March 5837 value areas as sentiment guides. The weekly volume profile is one time framing up as well, but the P profile told us last week might have been short cover driven. The very narrow 100 point value area highlights consolidation, so we might expect a breakout or trap scenario. Let next week initial balance form to measure who's got the upper hand here. On the daily profile we are also one time framing up, but Tuesday's P profile and short covering didn't mark a top. Instead, it set this stage right here. Wednesday gave us some indecision, and Thursday confirmed that breakout with a double distribution above Tuesday's value area high, and Friday validated that strength with a clean retest and rally. So on the 4-hour chart, we see clean bullish structure. We opened and held above VWAP and our long-standing line in the sand at 5670. We broke this previous failed breakout zone at 5776, and momentum slowed a little near 6005, the exact level of interest where we now pivot our attention to for this week. So the key this week is, do we get a pullback or does ES push higher and burn out sellers completely? For that plan, I have my line in the sand at 6005. This is my inflection point where this big seller rests. So if we hold above 6005, I want to target 6182. Note that we are entering this high volume node from November 2024, so we might expect some more chop and grindy conditions, but good opportunity if this bullish momentum holds. As for a bearish scenario, if next week we cannot reclaim 6005 successfully, we might get a pullback. This pat down includes multiple low volume nodes and gaps, so sellers could accelerate into 5725. So guys, this week is all about sustaining the breakout or spotting the cracks. Watch that 6005 level like a hawk. Patience on Monday, let structure form, let the market show you who's in control this week. Stay sharp, stay ready, stay in the game. For deeper breakdowns, hit that notification bell, subscribe, join our free daily game plan newsletter. I will be back Tuesday with the daily game plan because tomorrow I have some private business, but let's crush this week.